What started out as a phone call to answer a tax question
Mr. Phillips, this is Natalie Brown with the Department of Revenue.
turned into several phone calls to save a life.
Derek County 911.
Yes, I thought, let's see, are you all in the Columbia, Kentucky area?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm with the Department of Revenue. I was on the phone with a taxpayer, and he began to have a heart attack, he thought.
Part of Natalie Brown's job is to help people who call with tax issues.
Whenever I miss phone calls from taxpayers, I go back and listen to my voicemail and I write down their names and phone numbers.
On this particular day last month, she misplaced those numbers, but found them in enough time to return the calls the next day.
That was a stroke of luck on my part, actually.
Because at the time she dialed Glenn Phillips,
He answered the phone with heavy breathing.
he wasn't sure what was going on. He just knew he didn't feel well.
The pain was getting worse and worse, and I told her she needed to call me back another time, that right then was not a good time. And she asked me what was going on. I told her I thought I was having a heart attack.
Natalie didn't hang up. She knew the call was much greater than taxes. She asked if he was okay. He said probably not.
I knew at that point I needed to ask him if I needed to call an ambulance, and he again stated that he didn't know.
She hung up and called Frankfort Dispatch, who got her the number to Adair County. They then called Glenn.
Hello?
Mr. Phillips?
Yes.
This is James, 911 Center.
Yes, come on, quick.
Turns out he had 90% blockage in his heart and is just fine now. But who knows what would have happened if Natalie hadn't called at the very moment she did.